How to replace the hammers on an M range. Hammers are those loose hanging flat bars at the edge of the rotor. As you can see, there are 2 swinging hammers on a swivel point. There is 4 swivel points on a rotor, adding up to 8 hammers on a machine. How do I know when to replace my hammers? When your hammer has decreased in size and the distance between the hammer edge and the screen is more than 25 millimeters. What equipment do I need to change the hammers? You will need one 17 spanner and a 17 socket with a ratchet, and of course the hammers. Each box of hammers at Drotsky are balanced separately, which means 2 boxes won't be the same. Do not mix them. There is 1 box for each swivel point, so to change all the hammers you will need 2 boxes. If we illustrate it by packing it out, you will have box 1 packed out at north, east, west and south, and repeat the same for box 2. Now loosen the hammer pin with the single bolt, keeping everything in place. Keep attention to the spacing of the hammers. On the north and the south you will find hammer, spacer, hammer. Now replace the old hammers with 1 of each box of the hammers. Very important, all of box 1 hammer should either all be on the front side or the back side. Do not mix them. Now place the hammer pin back in the correct order and tighten the bolt. Do the same for the west and the east side. Note the spacing are now different. You have spacer, hammer, spacer, hammer, spacer. If you started off with box 1 closest to the front side, continue to place box 1's hammer closer to all the front side. There you go, that is the correct way to change your hammers on a Drotsky M-Range. Keep everything balanced and let's mill it.